is Alois Baraga. Not long ago, I completed a data science course with Python that was offered by Sankhyana Limited consultancy company. I had a positive experience learning with them. The course outline was well structured and had a well-balanced mix of theoretical knowledge and a practical application. The instructor was friendly, knowledgeable, and approachable. She was always outgoing. This is because she was always there and ready to address any challenging issue or question that could be brought on board. With the course topics, I would say it exhaustively covered the course. It was exhaustive enough as it covered data mining, data manipulation, data visualization, machine learning algorithm, deep learning, and AI. To me, what I would appreciate the most was the hands-on approach that allowed me to interact with the real-world dataset more and to do and get exposed to more data science projects that were very vital. Furthermore, I would say that the ample provision of resources and extra notes for further reading acted well into benefiting me and equipping me with solid knowledge in this field. To anyone who is looking forward to enrolling in this course, I would urge you to be somebody who is curious and somebody who is ready to embrace learning, since the comprehensive nature of this course outline can be a little bit challenging when there is no commitment. Anyway, though, there is the positive side of it, that with the help of the competent team of Sankhyana Consultancy, you will gain the necessary skills and knowledge that are really required of you to strive in the field of data science. So I highly recommend this course to anyone out there who is looking forward to kickstart their career in data science. Thank you.